In this video, I'll show you how to replace your ink cartridges in your HP Envi 655e and many different models that are looking the same. So I got my ink here. This is the HP 68. Then we'll need to lift the top panel of the printer. If I turn it on this side, you're gonna notice there is a gap. Stick your fingers here and pull up. Okay, you may need your second hand here simply to put the lid in this position. It will stay, you don't have to hold it. And the ink cartridges are going to go right over here. It's very important that you put the color ink cartridge on the left side and the black one on the right side. The color one has a magenta top and the black ink cartridge has a black ink top. First, let's remove this small label here. Simply rip it off. Never touch with your finger the contacts or the print head. So it's very easy. I'll pinch it on each side like this. Bring it in the slot here. Make sure that it's sitting like this. And then with your thumb, you're going to put it behind and push forwards until it clicks in place. Same thing with the black ink. I'll bring it here. I'll simply glide it. And at the end, I'll push it. It really needs to click in place. If not, it's not gonna work. In the future, when it's time to replace these, what you have to do is to put your finger on the top of the ink cartridge you want to replace and push down. It will unclip it and then you will be able to glide it out. It's a very easy process. Okay, once you have input them, simply lower the cover by putting your hand on the top and pushing down. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like. If you want ink for your printer, I have put some links to Amazon to get the exact ink cartridge you need, so you don't have to search around and you also support my channel. Comment and I'll see you in the next video.